On my own, these wings won't fly. Jesus told me so. Still I'm not so sure that I know. Can't find no rest for my soul.
I don't even go selling, I just want to go around you.
Just checking who's in the wrong here. Comments down below. What are you doing?
Turning around, going the wrong way. He's trying to turn around, go the wrong way. Driving on the shoulder, trying to follow behind him. Looks like he may have wrecked. He wrecked out. Black male, green t-shirt, running across 40. Black male, green t-shirt, dreads, running across 40.
Know what you got in there? Stop reaching. Not only trying to look at your drove, trying to make sure you ain't got nothing to kill me with.
You hit me, bro. What the f you doing, man? You gotta back up, bro. What are you doing? You have to back up, my guy. You have to back up!
Back up, dude!
What are you doing?
I'm trying to go.
What are you in a hurry for? Just calm down, man!
Back up, dude! Why are you backing up?
I'm just trying to back into a parking space.
Go ahead, back up. No one's stopping you.
Bruh, I cannot go.
Yes, you can.
No. You caught, bro.
Okay,
You.
I'll call the cops and they'll decide, okay?
Bruh, is this what you came to do today, man?
You're blocking me, dude.
Is this what you came to do?
You're blocking traffic, bro. Why you need to back up?
So, look. Hold on.
Why you need to back up?
You're in a hurry.
Dude.
You're in a hurry, and then you're gonna call the
You're
cops.
blocking to traffic.
That you're in a hurry though.
No, it doesn't matter where I have the
No.
Okay.
You're in a hurry, but you're gonna call the cops.
You tell me how it works. You're backing up into.
You see me backing up.
Right.
Everybody backs up, bro. What's your problem today,
you're in
bro?
a parking lot.
Look.
I have the right of way.
I don't know.
I have the
I
right of way.
don't know
You
what
don't.
you're going through.
You need.
I don't know what you're going through, bro, but just calm down.
Me.
I get it.
You're blocking
we all go through things, my guy.
Dude,
you know?
I have the right of way.
This
guy.
we don't gotta make a big deal of this, man. I was just gonna back up. That's it, bro. We ain't gotta do this, bro.
I've got the right of way and you don't.
Bro,
okay?
Are you really serious right now, man?
Yeah. I've got the right of way and you don't.
What you going through today,
You're
bro? Just talk to me, man. Talk to me.
You're tough.
Talk to me, bro.
You're a tough guy.
I'm not being tough. I'm trying to figure out what's the problem today, bro. Like, what's going on?
The traffic.
What happened today, bro? What happened today?
Blocking the traffic, guy.
Just tell me, bro.
Let's go.
No, I'm gonna go. No, I'm gonna go. I just want to know, bro.
We got you, dude.
What's your problem today?
Me?
Just to let you know, you're on camera too, my guy.
You're blocking the car.
You're on camera too, bro.
Yeah, but you're blocking me, dude.
Bro, what happened today, man?
Why are you blocking me?
What happened today, bro?
Why are you blocking me?
What happened? What happened today, bro? I want to ask you, bro. What happened today, bro? What caused this, man? Like, tough day at the job.
Dude, you're blocking the traffic.
We got. You know what I'm saying?
I'll back up.
I was gonna go.
You're gonna make me back. No, you're not. You're blocking.
I mean, all right, man. It ain't no big deal. I'm gone, bro. I'm gone.
You're not gone. You're
I'm
trying
gone, bro.
Car,
I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. I'll just back up here. I'm backing up again. Don't cause no big deal, man. What is this?
Back it up.
Yeah. Come on, bro.
Current loop video is now locked.
Problems, bro. I'm like, yo, I'm not on that timing with you, bro.